Let's start with the sub-assembly process. This is a one-time process, and all the parts installed will stay on the machine. This is the Load Moment Indicator, or LMI. For sub-assembly, the LMI should be in setup mode. To do this, push the setup icon on the LMI and hold it for 3 seconds. This will discontinue the alarm and allow all of the control functions to operate as the machine is being assembled. An assist crane will be required to complete the sub-assembly. First, we'll install the live mast and reeve the boom hoist cable. Clean the bushings on the mast of any dirt or grime and apply a coat of clean grease. Use blocking as needed to support the mast push arms, and then remove the mast push arm pins. Lift the mast using the lugs at the mast tip. The total weight of the mast is approximately 7,100 pounds. Install the mast mounting pins and secure them with the locks. Now lower the mast back to the storage position and rest it on the assist arms. Connect the cable for the mast angle sensor to the connector on the main machine. Then install the anti-two block harness and guards from the mast tip to the right side of the mast foot. Connect this harness to the existing harness at the mast foot pin. Position the boom hoist wire rope reel at the rear end of the crane for installation. Lower the spreader. Then number the sheaves on the mast and the lower spreader as illustrated on the reeving diagram found in the Operations and Maintenance Manual. Reeve the boom hoist wire through the upper and lower spreader assembly, following the reeving diagram. Secure one end of the cable to the boom drum with the wedge. Now connect the mast gantry control box to the receptacle on the right side of the machine. Inside the cab on the right side panel, set the hydraulic selector switch to the down position. Using the control box, start the engine and raise the RPM. Move the right and left gantry control switches to raise position. Fully raise the gantry and install the locking pins. Now move the mast assist arm cylinder switch to the extend position. Raise the mast slowly and make sure the wire rope does not become loose on the spool as the mast is being raised. The assist crane will then catch the mast after it has passed 90 degrees. Then lower the mast to remove the remaining wire rope from the spool. Connect the other end of the wire rope to the boom drum with the wedge. Pull the wire rope and make sure the wedge is properly set on both boom hoist drums. Keep the wire rope tight on the drum when taking up excess cable. Working lights with mirrors should be installed to the cab handrail. On the left side of the machine, the mirror should be installed on the handrail. Another working light will be installed on the left side of the machine under the step. Also install the windshield wipers to the front and top of the cab. If the machine is equipped with an optional reeving winch, install the rollers to the winch and on the boom base and the boom point section. The machine is supplied with a set of tools and one set of filters. These items should be placed in the storage compartment. The Operation and Maintenance Manual, along with the laminated load chart, must be placed inside the operator's cab. Kobelco also provides a fire extinguisher that should be kept inside the cab. This completes the sub-assembly of the machine. Please note that this is a one-time process. The machine will transport in this configuration. The total weight of the machine is 99,800 pounds. The CK2750G Sub Assembly is now complete.